The snow was very plentiful, and crumbs were very few, when a weather-beaten sparrow through a mansion window flew. Her eye fell on a golden cage, a sweet love song she heard, sung by a pet canary there, a handsome yellow bird. He said to her, "Miss Sparrow, I've been struck by Cupid's arrow. Will you share my cage with me?" She looked up at his castle, with its ribbon and its tassel, and in plaintive tones said she, "Goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd rather brave the cold on a leafless tree than a prisoner be in a cage of gold."
I'd gladly introduce you, sir, but she's proud. She won't meet anybody. Come, my delightful dove. Descend and make a pilgrimage with me among these mortals.
The spoiled and petted yellow bird could scarce believe it true, that a common sparrow should refuse a bird with blood so blue. He told her the advantages of riches and of gold. She answered that her liberty for gold could not be sold. She said, "I must be going," but he cried, "No, no, it's snowing, and the wintry winds do blow. Stay with me, my little dearie, for without you 'twould be dreary." But she only